When you have work done on your roof, you probably want somebody who will stand behind that work. Hi, I'm Eric Skoog, president of Sunvek Roofing, and we stand behind our work. Sunvek has been installing roofs across the valley since 1984, and we've installed a roof on a home probably much like yours. We've earned an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and we're proud of that. If you need work on your roof, whether tile, foam, shingle, shake, flat, even metal, think Sunvek. Our number is 623-349-7663 or 623-FIX-ROOF. When you need your roof done, check Sunvek.